I'm going to be showing you how to fix Siri not speaking. So to ensure Siri's settings are enabled and voice feedback is on and the device's volume is not muted, you need to verify the correct Siri voice and language that are selected and make sure that VPN settings are not interfering with Siri's functionality. So the first thing to do is open your settings. Just go ahead and tap there. Now you just need to find Siri or Apple Intelligence in Siri. After you tap here, just go to Talk to Siri, which is right below Language, and make sure it's on Hey Siri or Hey Siri, the first option. So after you verify that it's on, just go ahead and go back. The second thing to do is ensure volume is not muted. So make sure the device's volume is not muted like this. And second thing or the third thing to do is select correct Siri voice and language. So just tap on voice and select the correct voice you would like. After you've done so, you just need to go to language and select the language you would like. So let's say you would like Finnish. Just go ahead and tap here and tap on change language. You also need to check for VPN interference. Make sure you're not using a VPN and temporarily disable to see if that resolves the issue. The last thing you can do is tap on Talk to Siri again and just disable and enable Siri again to refresh it. And the last thing is to restart it. So after you restart your iPhone, this should help resolve the matter. So in this way, you can fix Siri not speaking. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.